welcome back to our channel. Hope you're good, hope you're doing well. So today we'll be learning how to make a circular flounce, or we can call it a spiral flounce. So I'll show you how to make it. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. I have my pattern paper here with me and I'm trying to get the midpoint. So I'm going to get the midpoint of this side, and I'm also going to get the midpoint of the other side as well. So that's what I'm trying to do. So when I'm done that, I will just mark a straight line like so, and I'll also mark a straight line like this also. You see what I'm doing? So when I'm done marking this line, from this midpoint here, I'm going to mark 2 inches all around. I'm going to get a circle that will be 2 inches in length. So I'm trying to just mark 2 inches all around like so. So when I've done that, I will just connect the circle like so. Did you see that? So I'll connect the circle like so. So when I'm done that, I'm going to determine the length of my flounce. I want mine to be 5 inches, and I'm going to mark 5 inches on one of the line. And with my pattern master, I'm going to just connect from that 5 inches to meters point. Did you see how I marked it? So now I'm going to mark 5 inches all around. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm going to be marking 5 inches all around like so. So when I've done that, I'm going to still connect all. So I'm still going to connect. To make a circular flounce is as easy as ABC. It's very easy and simple to make. Did you see what I'm doing? So I'll continue again. You can decide to make use of 7 inches for the length of your flounce. You can use any length of your choice depending on what you are doing. Just mark any length of your choice, and that is what I'm trying to mark now. So as you can see, I'm done marking, and this is the end. This is where my pattern the length stop, because I can't continue because of my pattern paper. So I'll be cutting it, and this is how to cut. So I'll be cutting it out for you to see. So this is how you're going to cut it. You're going to follow the circular line, and you will cut it all through like so. So also cut this part out. Did you see? I'm going to cut this part out. So I'll still continue to cut all the lines. So if you want to have more flounce, you should have more fabric. So this is what I have after cutting through. This is what I have. So I'm going to cut that middle circle out, and when I've done that, you can see that we are already done. So making a circular flounce or spiral flounce is actually very easy to make, and you can style it anyhow you want to, anyhow you just want to. You can keep it straight, you can even I'll plait it anyhow you want to do it, and you can attach anything. So as you can see, I'm trying to make a circular stuff design with it, and as you can see, you can make anything that you want to make. Just feel free, just make anything you want to. Did you see that? You can turn it anyhow you just wish to. So did you see it? This is the way I'm trying to turn it. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.